My name is Miraji Paza. I'm 27 years old. I'm married and I have 2 children. My father passed away in 1988 and my mother passed away in 1993. I was late to start primary school because I didn't have a person to help me the school fees. My older brother did everything to help me to start primary school, but I did not continue secondary education because my brother lost his job. I passed in standard 7. I went to the street to find a work, and I struggled a long time to find a better life. I started a small business to sell music, CDs, tape, but municipal council made me stop my business and take my inventory. Life became very hard again, and I became a porter from climb mountain Kilimanjaro. This was not a good job. I injured my foot and I could not climb anymore. I interviewed in Give Heart to Africa and was accepted me to the school, into the school, and I graduated in October. So now I am a different person because I see myself as a new person in society. I'm looking for a sponsor to help me start my music business again. I now have business skills, but I did not have a capital. And I also have computer skills and can speak English, and I got this education in Give Heart to Africa. I also have I went to open my music I went to open music store to sell CDs, movies and burning CDs. I trust I will be successful because I have the business skills such as marketing, advertising and SWOT analysis and 4Ps. So this is my strength. Thanks for considering me. Thanks for Give Heart to Africa.